in today's video we're gonna be creating a makeup look. We're not gonna be reviewing any makeup item or anything like that. I'm just gonna be creating a super easy like euphoria inspired look. It's so trending, all the diamantes and like all the gems, the pearls and so on. I created quite a few makeup looks doing that, but I don't think I filmed an actual tutorial. I'm more likely to post on Instagram just a makeup look, but I thought, you know what, why not? I noticed that you guys prefer more to watch the makeup reviews, so let me know in the comments down below if I should still do tutorials or just reviews of a makeup product and then create a look using that product that I'm reviewing. Leave a comment down below, let me know. Okay, so without any further ado, let's create this makeup look. It's gonna be super easy, so a quick warning. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prep and prime my eyelids. So what I mean by that is I'm gonna use the concealer and then the setting powder. Nothing special, so just gonna quickly do that now. Not wearing any foundation yet as well, so okay, it's setting powder. What I'm gonna do first, instead of the actual eyeshadow, I'm gonna take the Sculpted Bronzer in Cacao by the Revolution Pro and gonna use it as my kind of contour for the eyes, if that makes any sense, just because I have very hooded eyes, so want to lift this part up a bit. What I'm doing, I'm going the outer corner with this. Dragging this a little bit outwards, but I still don't have any foundation on, so if anything's like too much in here, you can always fix that part. It's not a problem. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow in the polished pin-up. I use it a lot, so it's nearly finished. It's really good if you haven't tried this yet. And what I'm doing with this, I'm going in an eye corner mobile it. So I'm just gonna press this on because we're going for this like euphoria look and a bit kind of a soft glam, I guess, in a way. So just gonna press it and let it blend in. I'm gonna use my finger to blend this. I'm taking the NYX Epic ink liner. I'm gonna do kind of like a foxy eye inspired eyeliner look. Alright, eyeliner is on, so next thing I'm gonna do before going with lashes or the diamantes, I'm gonna do the face and then we can finish off the eyes. So get back to you in a second. And I'm back, guys. So I did the base as I said and I applied lippy. If you're wondering what it is, it's the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the color Seduction. What I'm gonna do now, I'm coming back to this Revolution Pro, the Sculpting Bronzer in Cacao. I'm gonna go on a lower lash line, just like a tiny bit. I'm not gonna go crazy or anything, just to give a bit of dimension to my eye. That should do. What I'm doing next, I'm taking the highlighter. So the same I'm using today is the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take the color called Snow for inner eye corner. So this one, like I'm gonna do exactly the same shade. So next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna apply the eyeliner in the inner eye corner. So I have some diamantes in here. I got this from eBay. It cost like 99p, I think, not cheaper. It was under the nail art though. It wasn't like for makeup or anything. So if you're gonna be searching for this, search for nail art. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take, because I have like a mixture of these diamonds, like smaller and bigger. So I'm gonna take smaller and bigger and just kind of pile up in this part in here, like all inner eye corner and a bit in here. If that makes any sense, just watch what I'm doing. Just want to show you how I'm doing this. So I have some lash glue in the hand. Gonna dip my diamond in and then stuck on. The diamond is for me, like, I'm really obsessed now with this. I think I created my first look over 2 years ago using diamonds and it didn't go popular or anything, and now diamonds, like all these looks, you know, Euphoria looks are so trendy. So I'm like, hey, I started this over 2 years ago. Maybe I started the trend. Could be cool, eh? Add a few here. You guys, so makeup look is nearly done. We just need some falsies or mascara, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna go with falsies, but the falsies I'm gonna go, I just wanna show you guys, is by the Monty, if I'm pronouncing correctly, this brand. Basically, it's a 10-day lash system, so it's kind of like a lash extensions, like DIY lash extensions. So Monty sent me this as a PR, so I really wanna try this properly. So I think I'm gonna do a separate video and check this, you know, brand properly and how to apply and so on. So I'm just gonna quickly film that video, apply these lashes and come back to you. So you're gonna see in this video how the lashes looks, but another video I'm gonna be a proper in-depth review and I'm gonna wear it and see if it's really lasting 10 days and so on. So I'm gonna, you know, go apply this quickly and I'll see you soon. The lashes are on. So far I really like it. It was easy to apply. Looks good, I think. It's still drying because it's like a special glue, so you might still see like a glue residue or something, so just ignore that. As I said, I'm gonna be testing out these lashes properly because it says it's a 10-day lashes, so I still don't know if it's actually gonna hold as a, you know, lash extensions, DIY lash extensions or no, but I think this video might be already up on my channel so you guys can see. I'll link it in the icon in the corner so you guys can check it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a bit of mascara on the lower lash line and we're gonna be done. So for mascara, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Cosm Black Mascara. This one come in a set. I did a proper review for this. It's up on my channel as well. You guys can check it out if you wish. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? So what do you guys think of this makeup look? Is a yay or nay from you? Leave a comment down below, let me know. If you're gonna go and recreate this look, please tag me in your pictures. Like, I would absolutely love to see that. I love to see you tagging me in your pictures. Love to see your looks. Always makes my day, honestly. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Very important part. I feel like I'm mentioning this every time because it's just so important. This is gonna support my channel majorly, especially if you would press that thumbs up and then you press this bell icon so it will show you my videos first, and leave a comment down below. Yeah, it's gonna like majorly support my channel without costing you a thing, so it's free, why not, right? So I really hope you guys found this video helpful and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.